Hello students, today's point Simon Commission and Nehru Report. Simon Commission, what is a Simon Commission and what is a Nehru Report? The first, in 1919, after the ending of First World War in 1918, British government want to reforms in Indian legislature system or Indian law. As it is the same, just like in 1909 Government of India, the British Government of India imposed the Government of India Act 1909 that was known as a Marley-Minto Act. That time the British government was promised we will introduce the next reforms after 10 years in 1919. Okay, so that's why the reason the Government of India was started the imposing of Government of India Act 1919 that was known as a Montesquieu-Chelmsford reforms. And that time the Indian peoples want to the participation, more right in the administrative structure. And the British government also promised after 10 years in 1929 we again send a commission to the reforms in India. And that's why the British government and the Secretary of State, Lord Birkenhead, they decided to send a commission to India in 1927. At that commission was total 7 members and the head of the commission named Sir John Simon. So that's why the reason that commission was known as a Simon Commission. So Simon Commission finally planned to send India in 1927 to the legal reforms. The Simon Commission totally opposed by the Indian peoples. Why? Because Indian peoples were not happy with the Simon Commission because not a single Indian member in that commission. They want a Indian peoples in that commission for the reforms in India. And that's why the reason they protest against the British government. And the Lord Birkenhead, Secretary of State, was said, are Indian capable to create their own constitution? So that's why he challenged to the Indian peoples and the Simon Commission fully boycotted by the Indians. Indian peoples challenge that accept. Yes, we are capable. We create our own rules and regulation for each and every person of India, each and every category of the peoples of India, maybe the top peoples, maybe the lower peoples, doesn't matter. That's why the reason the British government gave the permission to making their own constitution. So now the two type of committees, one is a Simon Commission, the another is a Nehru Committee. They will set up the all party conference and start a drafting of Indian constitution. That propose the constitution reforms to India. Simon Commission, their main aim, the proposed constitution reforms in India. The Nehru Committee was also the proposal constitution reforms in India. And the both committees was started creating their own rules and regulation. And in 1928, when was the Simon Commission came to India, Lala Lajpat Rai was a main leader, opposed and lead the demonstration against the Simon Commission and the raising their slogan, "Go back Simon, go back Simon." And that time, the British government a very brutal lathi charge on all the demonstrators. And Lala Lajpat Rai was specially targeted by the Britishers on lathi charge. And that's why the reason Lala Lajpat Rai was so injured. And finally, Lala Lajpat Rai, he did not fully recover from his injuries and died on 17th November 1928 of a heart attack. And after the completion the Nehru report on 28 August 1928, the committee submit their draft to the Congress. But in the Congress, some leaders like Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose and some other people vote against it. Why they are vote against this report? Because in this report the Nehru report, they demanding the Dominion status, not a fully independence. And especially Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose was against. And that's why they established the separate group, Independence of India League. So, finally, in Congress Working Committee and the Congress Party accept this report and submit to the Lord Birkenhead, the Secretary of State. And they also said that implement this report in a 1 year, otherwise be ready for mass movement. Simon Commission finally published their report in May 1930 after the publication of Nehru report. And now the two reports in the hand of British government, one is a Nehru report and one is a Simon Commission report. So that's why the British government decided to meet, discuss, and then after we will implement any legal reforms. And that's why they call Round Table Conference from 1930 to 1932, the three Round Table Conference, and the final result, the Round Table Conference was, the many people say, the Government of India Act 1935 was finally implemented in India. Thank you.